This is Areca palm plant. If you are new about plants, you can understand this beautiful leafy plant is called the Areca palm and one of the beautiful house plants, and also you can keep it in your garden, outdoors or indoors both, because this is one of the air purifier plants, easy to grow plants. You can keep it at your entrance to decor your home. So let's see what are the care tips for this beautiful Areca palm plant and the things that you need to know. Once you bring this beautiful house plant Areca palm, you will have to locate it in an area where they get the medium to partial sunlight. This loves the shade, so you can keep it as a house plant indoors. So make sure you provide a little bit of shade for this beautiful greeny plant. That is the most important thing. These plants cannot be grown in small planters. They need ample space. So make sure to put it in a very huge planter, any planter, DIY planter, plastic or any container that is spacious enough. You need well draining soil for this beautiful house plant. You can say garden soil, and also you can add some cocoa peat in it and also some sand. So those are the basic needs of the Areca palm plant, and you can add some coffee or tea fertilizer for this plant, and make sure that you provide space for the plant, because that is one of the most important things. Unless you will have to do repotting time to time. When the plant matures, you will have to put it in a bigger planter, time to time do repotting and stuff like that. And the plant matures, you can divide and multiply the plant. So these plants you can only propagate and double the plants only by dividing. So these plants need repotting time to time. You can put them back again to another planter and make more plants. Do not overwater these Areca palm plants. Check the soil and water. If you do overwatering, you will see yellow leaves appearing in the plant. Cut them off, remove them off, and check the soil and water. That is one thing. And also, if you see any yellow leaves in the plant, that is either over fertilizing, or else see that the plant is under watering.